Raps Freak 13 here, and we're gonna have a gun unboxing. So let's get to this quickly. It is a Geo2. The people who guessed that were right. So haven't opened it yet. Haven't seen it. I got some extra detents too, so there's that. I ordered this from Warp Sports. Ed there, really helpful with the whole thing. So, ooh, what's this? There's the gun. Still all sealed. So here we go. There we go. Geo2. We have the barrel sock, grease, a ton of spares. Like, this thing is completely filled. It's thick. Gun itself. Trigger feels nice. It's probably battery, so let's turn this on. It's in red right now. Sorry if I'm a little shaky. I'm really excited. You've got the Allen key set, and then the shaft forward barrel. Here's the tip. It's reverse threaded, which means you loosen it to tighten it. Need some oil on the threads there. I can already tell it's squeaky. There we go. Geo2. Get a shooting video of this.